Hi there everybody and welcome back to Boom Trainspots. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today we're at Fleet. Yes, not at Winchfield, as you just saw. We have come from Winchfield because, you know, we seem to not be able to avoid Winchfield. But today I've got a dead cat on the microphone, which is like one of those furry things, so the audio should be a bit less kind of windy when the trains fly by. Today's date is Friday, the 5th of June 2020, and yeah, we should be seeing services from South Western Railway and hopefully some freight. This is the bridge I was talking to you about in one of my Winchfield Bridge videos. It's got a lift in the brick bits, and yeah, Fleet's quite a nice station. It's got a cafe in the area, the kind of, you know, that area, but it's all closed because of the you know, virus. And yeah, I can see a train coming there, and as always, well, in case you don't know, Winchfield and Southampton and like everywhere down there is down there that way, and then London Waterloo is down there. So I guess I'll just keep recording for that. So let's get on with the show. Oh, that's a freight.
Are you sound recording with these?
Yeah. And now for a new segment in the show, Facts with Boom. So in this kind of segment, I tell you all the facts I know about the station, and today we're at Fleet for the first ever episode. And so Fleet is quite a big town actually. It's had quite a few housing estates built on the outskirts of it, and it's a Friday today, so you know the car park would normally be full, and it's almost 3:30 in the afternoon, so you know you'll get school children coming off trains, and you know people coming to the shops, because about less than a 10-minute walk when you go over the car bridge, which is that one there, and then down you've got the high street, which is, you know, very busy because it's a high street, and this car park is, as I said, normally full to bursting. It's huge. It looks kind of silly right now because there's like absolutely no one on the top floor and barely anyone on the bottom floor, but normally it's heaving. I used to live in Fleet and I've seen that. It's about probably 4 years old, that big car park, so not very old. And they've redone, well, this is all about 4 years old as well, the new station and the bridge with the lift in. They're about the same age. They've added ticket barriers to the station inside not too long ago actually, but as you saw I came here by train, so that's all good. We've got a nice chunky yellow line, so there's no chance of missing it, also with those dots on there, so there's an extra no chance of missing a yellow line in case, you know, in case you could. All the benches are closed apart from one which we're occupying. Yeah, because you know the virus. And also there's like a kind of like a glass thing, I don't really know what you call it, but it's locked if you press the button. I've got a glove on, so it's all good. It sounds like it's trying to open, but it can't. So yeah, that kind of concludes this week's episode of Facts with Boom. Yeah, basically to sum up, Fleet is normally a heaving station, which is why they've had to expand the car park and the platform capacity, but it's virtually empty right now, so no one's using the trains. Please vote on the poll if you liked that first episode of Facts with Boom. I believe today, Wednesday the 10th of June, is the last day that you can vote on polls, or I know it's the last day that I can put a poll in. I'm not sure if it's the last day that you can vote, but if you can see a poll something about there, then please vote on that if you can, but if you can't, then that's a big shame because I already missed the polls and they haven't even gone yet. Another thing, all the 2-storey bike racks, which you can see there, are pretty much empty. I can see 3 bikes, one there and then 2 up there. And there's a bike rack on platform 1, which is this platform, and that's got 2 bikes in and a load of locks, which I just dumped there. Bit of a, yeah. Something you don't get with Winchfield, a load of bike locks with no bikes attached to them. So gust of wind that pushed me back there. The guy there was on the same train that brought us down from Winchfield, and he's here as well. And it looks like there's another train coming, and the wind is picking up again. I hope you can hear me. I hope the dead cat's doing its job. Paid 20 quid for this dead cat. I mean, that's another one flying through on the platform. Another one flying through on the platform again. I'm going down here to try and shelter from the wind, but I'm not sure how well my tactic. Is that platform? No, it's not. No, it's not platform. Oh well. My bad. There's a train coming, stopping on platform 2, and it's just started to rain, which is really annoying because we've only been here about 20 minutes and the weather's already, well, not ruining it, but you know, annoying it. Looks like there's another light as well. That'll be the through service, I guess. Oh, that carriage is covered in bird poo. Here it comes. And in case you're not familiar with this line, there's no overhead power, in case you haven't noticed. So the trains have these like pads, as you can see right there, connected to like a kind of third rail. You see that, those two that go along next to the train. That's how they get their power. I'm almost certain that's how they do. Anyway, if I'm wrong, then please correct me in the comments. But as far as I'm concerned, that's how the system works. I think that's another train coming. Not sure if you can see that. And back on the empty car park front, there's a car park here as well, which there's one car in it. That's for people who, you know, can't use stairs, but then they built a lift into it. But you know. No, that's a signal. Oh, but is that another? Yeah, that's another train.
Oh, and now the sun comes out. We didn't bring sunglasses. This cat is not very well prepared.
Don't know what's going on behind me, but what's going on in front of me is there's a train coming. So I think that just about wraps it up for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Part 2 will be put up on Saturday, which I'm about to film now. Yeah, thank you for watching, everybody, and remember, stay alert.
Psst, boom. Boom. Hi, Boom.